Do y'all hear that? Look at this. Hello guys, welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm gonna show y'all how to make some macaroni and cheese. Everybody keep asking me about the roux style because y'all know I make mine different, but I do know how to make it with a roux. So this is everything you need. And one thing I learned about macaroni and cheese that I have learned lately, buying block cheese and shredded it up, is it makes the macaroni taste way better than store-bought shredded cheese. So as the water is boiling, I'm going to put me some, this is like a bouillon cube, but I buy it in a big tub. So I'm gonna sprinkle some in my noodle water. While that water is boiling, we're gonna go ahead and shred our cheese. So the cheese I have is mild, extra sharp white, mozzarella, Kobe Jack, and you have to have you some Gouda cheese. So go ahead and shred your cheese, and I'll tell you everything else we need as we go. So let's get the shredded cheese out the way. Now the noodle water is boiling. Thank me later. Season y'all water with that. So cook the noodles until they al dente, or whatever you want to call it. Now, I know y'all gonna cry in the comment section between margarine, butter, and a stick, whatever the case may be. We use whatever you have, but you're gonna melt down a half a stick of butter. This is just the butter I have. I know y'all be killing me with the measurements, but about 3/4 of flour. You want to cook the flour off. So you want to go ahead and add your evaporated milk. I know some people use regular milk, some people use half and half. Whatever you want to use, that's up to you, but I'm using evaporated milk. I'm going to put in 3 cans. Put in a cup of heavy cream. I'm gonna go ahead and let me rinse off my noodles and put them in a bowl. While this coming to a boil, I'm going to season it with black pepper, some garlic powder. Yes, I put garlic powder in my macaroni. You can put whatever you want in yours. Some onion powder, seasoning salt, and a little paprika. Okay, this is boiling. We're going to add that shredded cheese in there. Not all of it, half. This is stir. Okay, the cheese sauce is ready. That's how you know it's ready. Not lumpy, it's clear. So let's go over here. So you want to take that cheese sauce, pour it all over the noodles just like that. Now what I would do, I'm just going to add just a little bit more cheese because we're going to use that other cheese for the top. Just like this. Then, of course, I'm going to season it just a little bit more with the same seasoning. Onion powder, garlic powder, seasoning salt. I don't know why the seasoning salt coming out like this. And just a little bit more black pepper. About 2 teaspoons of sour cream. You don't need that much, just a little bit. A little bit goes a long way, trust me. Look at this. So you want to grease your dish, whatever you're going to put it in. 400. And then we're gonna go ahead and cook this. So we put it in this dish. Oh yeah, that's worked out perfectly. The remaining cheese, we just gonna sprinkle it on top. All right, we're gonna put this in the oven on 400 and we're gonna come back. I'll let y'all know how many minutes because y'all know I'll be forgetting the timing. But when we come back. As you can see, the macaroni is done, but let's get into this. Do y'all hear that? Look at this. Good macaroni. Y'all, this is, I normally make mine without a roux, but everybody been asking for a roux. So this is my roux recipe, but this is my Thanksgiving, y'all. We burnt out on Thanksgiving food. So we did a little fried fish and this, that. So let me know how y'all like this recipe. If y'all tried this recipe, let me know. Or if y'all know some better things I should have did with my roux, let me know in the comment section. But make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. But thank you for tuning in to Talessia's Kitchen with our macaroni and cheese, the roux edition. Thank you.